Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset all notification settings on Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram. Then all you have to do is get into Settings and select Notifications and Sounds. On Telegram you can customize notifications in different ways. You can set specific notification settings for private chats, for group chats, for channels, and also you can make a lot of different changes in here. And then let's say you want to reset all the notifications to their defaults. In that case, all you have to do is just scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Reset All Notifications feature. It will undo all custom notification settings for your contacts, groups and channels. Just hit Add Reset All Notifications and then hit on Reset. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.